Here we are on US 50, riding a side road, thinking we're gonna get through the pass. Little do we know.
They had just started closing the road and we found this little side road. And this guy probably is home.
Come across the chain checkpoint and they're letting us know the road's closed temporarily. This is a view from me walking back where everybody would use the bathroom, as otherwise you'd be hanging out in a big snowbank. On this second place we had to stop, they said there had just been a 3-car accident with a snowplow CHP and a pedestrian. We had a little roadside party with different folks and talked it up. What are we gonna do? How long are we gonna be out there, etc. They finally released us then and had to say goodbye to our friends. Now up to Echo Summit. Didn't know it until a little later. Our caravan was behind 3 giant snowplow dump trucks. We were creeping along. We got up to the summit. It was stop and go for the snowplows to clear mini avalanches in front of us.
We're gonna have to get over. Oh, he's backing up.
We were pretty nervous about being trapped under that big mountain cliff with all that snow load. We were ready to get out of there. And we finally made it off the mountain at 4:30 in the morning and slept in our truck for an hour and a half before skiing. We got some coffee, got on the mountain, got in the powder line. The views from Heavenly of Lake Tahoe and surroundings are amazing. On top of the world.
Second night, we got a bed at the Hard Rock. Casino rooms are cheap as long as you don't gamble. I love the place. It's nice. Lots of rock and roll art to look at. I feel good. So next day we headed up the Stagecoach. Another super dumpy day. We were praying that the road would be fine. So we had to ditch our car in a condo
trees make you
hike the rest of the way up. Shane found a place to cut across the chairlift. I decided not to do it. It's too flat at the bottom. I didn't want to get stuck in 4 feet of snow. There he goes. So I started to hike about 10 more minutes on the road and found out why we were backed up for so long with Stagecoach.
Check it out. Major crammage. It's so slick, people can't even walk on it. The 2 cars they made it. Ah. No. Yeah. Yeah. Now turn the wheel the other way, quick. Go with it. Hey, he's got all-wheel drive of it. There you go. Ski down it. And then on this side, there's skiing. After a morning of powder laps on the Nevada side, we decided to take off over to Fire Break. All right, we're in Fire Break area. Woo! It's an amazing area, headed down skier right of the gondola. It's about 3,000 feet of vertical in one run. Pretty exhausting, but beautiful views, wide open, spacious trees. A skier's dream. Beware happy hour half drink deals at Tamarack Lodge. We got up there and we came out and all the lifts were closed. We had to hike to Nevada to get our truck.
We just hiked up Big Easy. We're about to drop into the Nevada side. Yeah, we just hiked up that shit. Right there. Whew.
After a day of hardcore skiing, we were so glad to be back at the hotel. Got the thing that was in the machine.
We stayed another night at the Hard Rock. The roads were backed up, skiing all day, sun setting. We weren't getting stuck on the road again. We finally make it back to town, get cleaned up, and head back out to find some growth. Found this cool place called Lucky Beaver. The weather clearing up. It's time to pack up, get out of town. It was a beautiful day. The sun was out, blue skies. We drove through some of the neighborhoods that were just covered up in snow. It was pretty incredible. Woo! Let's play chicken. Chicken. Yeah, that was awesome. That's why they stopped. Yeah, they're on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's turning colors now.